delta percent is basically the delta divided by the total volume, right? Next thing I'm going to explain is the session volume, delta percent, and obviously the delta. So if we look at the bottom, this is where that table info is, right? You have obviously the delta, so that is, you know, the difference between the buyers and sellers for the whole candle, really easy. The delta percent is basically the delta divided by the total volume, right? So that's 20%. So 170 contracts is 20%. 170 buy contracts is 20% of the whole volume traded in that candle. Does that make sense? And the reason the delta volume percent can be useful is because it can kind of show you, you know, how aggressive those buyers or those sellers were in that candle, right? Because, you know, if you've got a really high delta percent, it means, you know, the majority of people, like there's a huge imbalance there, right? A lot more people are buying than they are selling. You know, 20% more buying happened in that candle essentially than selling. All right, so just look at it like that, right? You know, here it was a pretty balanced candle. For example, 0.25% more on the sell side, but pretty much in balance. Here 43% more buying happened in that candle right there, you know. So you can kind of, you know, you can measure it as a form of aggression.